SAL, no need for suppression. Only override is there. Correct?
Yes.
But this is not, because this is also considered as alarm. Not this is alarm is triggered from trip, but it's still an alarm. Will not be override.
You're right. Yes, correct. You're right. You are right. You are right. So normally, why we suppress alarm? Because when the operator is starting from the control room, if he gets so many alarm, so he will be confused, he will panic. So that is why we need to suppress it for time being during startup. But override is a different thing. Override should not be considered here. Good.
Yeah. Mr. Chairman, let me also check with our ISS vendor. Check how existing is configured.
Yes, please.
Ms. Santil.
Yes, Gong.
Yeah. For that, like a startup alarm suppression or pump not running suppression, how is considered now in the existing system? Are you aware?
Now, existing, for example, if you are suppressing, if you are enabling through process override, for example, if you are doing 15 minutes override, during that 15 minutes time, all related alarms will be overridden. Okay. Within this 15 minutes, all the conditions or abnormal conditions are become normal. Then automatically the override will remove. At the same time, the alarms also will be enabled. This is how it is configured.
Correct.
Okay, you mean in the ISS system now, all the trip related alarm also will be override together with the trip, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, can you please also make that like same requirement in general note for this, as you said, assumption or something like that? Included in our note. Yes. Included in our report.
Assumptions. So what is assumption?